Hey, are you super excited about your admission to the USA? So do you know how careful you need to be about your visa application? As per reports, about 23% of student visas were denied in 2023, and then the reasons to some were known and some were not. Getting nervous? Well, you do not have to face denial if you pay proper attention to avoid common mistakes in your DS 160 form. So let us guide you through some of the most common mistakes that you can avoid in your DS 160 form. First, the very first and the most common mistake is a mismatch in your name. So, do you have a middle name on the passport that you usually don't use elsewhere? Do not forget to use this name when filling out your details in the DS 160 form. Moreover, you must fill out the form exactly with the details mentioned on your passport. Second, under the personal information section, you will get two options, SSN and TIN to fill in. These are only for candidates who had employment in the USA earlier. So if you're going to the US for the first time, you must check these questions with the option of does not apply. Most candidates make the mistake of filling in these options with their country's identification number. If you make such an error, once again your visa application will be rejected. Expert advice. The experts at Abroadme say, in case you're married and are using your spouse's last name, don't forget to mention both the names in your DS 160 form. Also, it's good to present any document like marriage certificate or any other document which mentions the change in your last name. Third, it's important to give the correct details of your employment with what you've mentioned in your previous applications or documents. Also, if you've traveled to the USA or any country before, do mention your travel history details accurately. Fourth, under travel information, you must enter the full address of your college. Even if you have relatives or friends, don't use their addresses in this section. When your purpose of visit is education, you must prioritize your university. People often provide a relative's address when they are visiting for a vacation or a personal reason. So there are high chances that your student visa may get rejected on this basis. Fifth, have you been to the USA earlier for vacation or any purpose? If yes, then it is your responsibility to mention this visit on the form. You must provide the visa number from your earlier visa. A lot of people make a mistake here by entering the control number in place of the visa number. Both the numbers are provided on the visa, so be cautious while entering the correct one. Sixth, some countries such as India will have only a passport number. On the other hand, some other countries will also have a passport book number along with the passport number. Be careful while entering this detail. Expert advice. Our experts at Abroadme says never hide your social media handles. If you have any, don't forget to mention the details there. If your passport does not hold any passport book number, leave the space with the option of does not apply. Seventh, under the section, you have to provide information about an individual who will identify you in the US. Even if you have relatives or friends in the country, do not provide their details. It is ideal to provide the information about the designated school official of your university. When you provide the details of such an important individual, the chances of your visa getting rejected are reduced. So here are some of the mistakes that you must avoid if you want smooth visa processing for your education in the US. So start filling out your DS 160 form accordingly now. Need help? Contact Abroadme to get the right assistance, and yes, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button for such useful content.